Hello, this is my pronunciation video, and I'm going to start with 5 words from chapter 7, which is about skin and membranes. So number 1, decubitus ulcer, which means pressure sore that often develops over a bony prominence when lying in one position for prolonged periods. 2, eccrine, relating to an exocrine gland with secretory cells that release secretions by exocytosis. 3, impetigo, a highly contagious bacterial skin infection that occurs most often in children. 4, lamellar corpuscle, sensory receptor with a layered encapsulation found deep in the dermis that detects pressure on the skin surface. 5, stratum germinativum, the innermost layer of the tightly packed epithelial cells of the dermis. Cells in this layer are able to reproduce themselves. Next, I'm going to do another 5 words from chapter 8, which is about the skeletal system. 1, canaliculus, an extremely narrow tubular passage or channel in compact bone. 2, diarthrosis, freely movable joint. 3, hematopoiesis, blood cell formation. 4, ischium, one of 3 separate bones that forms the hip bone. 5, sphenoid bone, central keystone bone of the floor of the cranium, resembles a bat. Moving on, I'm going to do another 5 words from chapter 9, which is about the muscular system. 1, gastrocnemius, superficial muscle of the calf of the leg, connected to the calcaneus bone of the foot by way of the Achilles tendon. Its action is to dorsiflex the foot, bending the toes upward. 2, iliopsoas, a flexor of the thigh and an important stabilizing muscle for posture. 3, myasthenia gravis, autoimmune muscle condition characterized by progressive weakness and chronic fatigue. 4, sternocleidomastoid, the diagonal strap muscle located on the anterior aspect of the neck. 4, tenosynovitis, inflammation of a tendon sheath. Coming up, I've got another 5 words from chapter 10, which is about the nervous system. 1, enkephalin, peptide chemical in the central nervous system that acts as a natural painkiller. 2, hemiplegia, paralysis of one entire side of the body except the face. 3, node of Ranvier, indentations found between adjacent Schwann cells. 4, oligodendrocyte, a cell that holds nerve fibers together and produces the myelin sheath around axons in the CNS. 5, tic douloureux, another name for trigeminal neuralgia, which is pain in one or more of 3 branches of the 5th cranial nerve that runs along the face. And lastly, I've got 5 final words from chapter 12, which is about the endocrine system. 1, atrial natriuretic hormone, hormone secreted by the heart cells that regulates fluid and electrocyte homeostasis. 2, chorionic gonadotropin, any of several hormones that are secreted as the uterus develops during pregnancy. 3, ghrelin, hormone secreted by epithelial cells lining the stomach. Ghrelin boosts appetite, slows metabolism, and reduces fat burning. It may be involved in the development of obesity. 4, neurohypophysis, posterior pituitary gland. 5, triiodothyronine, thyroid hormone that stimulates cellular metabolism. Thank you.